Hi guys. It feels like it's been forever since we've uploaded a video. As you can see, we're having a wintry January, so we haven't got to do a whole lot on the camper. The last few months were crazy. October, I had to have surgery. November, Gary ended up in the ER, and we found out he's got to have gallbladder surgery February 7th. And then in December, we had to travel to UVA for his cardiology appointment, and my son's spine surgeon had to check up on him, which everything was doing good with my son. Gary had to wear a heart monitor, so we're waiting on the results of that. I went in because I was having recurring pancreatitis, and they did a scan. I thought it was something with my pancreas, which they said it's actually my gallbladder as well, and that's what's causing my pancreatitis. So I have to have gallbladder surgery this coming up Friday. Mine was underactive and had gallstones and sludge in it. I didn't even know you could have sludge in your gallbladder, but that just sounds really disgusting. They should have a different name for it. But Gary's gallbladder is overactive, so we're just the opposite. But I just couldn't believe how ironic that we both have to have gallbladder surgery within a month of each other. It's just kind of crazy. But anyway, I hope you guys had a great Christmas with your family and got to spend a lot of time together and slow down and remember the reason for the season. We enjoyed our Christmas with the little grandson and my mom, who will be 89 this month. And then we got together with my sister's family, and we just had a nice time. Hopefully, we can get all these surgeries over with and get back onto the camper. If you've listened to my rambling this long, I'm going to shut up and get into the video of Gary doing a little bit of work in the camper.
Hey y'all, it's been a while since I've been back here. A whole lot of things has happened all at one time that was absolutely not my fault, but I'm going to get started back. My wife has decided she wants to move the refrigerator and cut this down and put it right here. That's what I'm going to work on today. Or attempt to anyway. With a little luck, maybe the piece I cut off here I can use for the top. I guess we'll find out. These things are so small, you're about to go outside to change your mind. We'll turn around. Got little staples inside here you can't see it. behind the plywood. Huh. Oh yeah. I knew I should have moved that stuff. Huh, I wonder where that went. What a mess. Always something. One mess after another. But that's okay. Ain't nothing we can't handle. Yep. Try that. This is gonna need rebuilding. That's okay. Well, this is going to change a few things. Let's see, what do I got here? Changes things, don't it? Oh well, what are you gonna do? Well, I think I gotta go to the other two before. Okay. getting started. Okay, let's see what. Of course, there you got 18. $70 3/4. Okay. Ooh. No. But this is it. $69 1/4. 69 1/4. Got these ripped down for a couple of pieces across here. Should be good. You probably couldn't see all that, but that's what I was doing. And anyway, I think we'll take a munch.